This is the elevator here at 835 Paramount Drive in Stoney Creek, Ontario. We have a ThyseenKrupp. Get a look at this lobby here, it's very nice. There's the main powered elevator. Here it is. Free. It's a bit creaky. Or free. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. I like that light fixture up there. It's a nice elevator. This is located near the Heritage Green Professional Arts Center, which has a Schindler 330A. I filmed that one already. Let's watch the button go out. Alright. Watch the door close. I want to actually get a look at this lobby because it looks very nice. You can see it's a nice lobby. And you got a nice light fixture here. So that's it.